morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. Today again an amazing video, walking and talking of course on the beach here in Phuket, Thailand. We have 4 amazing Bitcoin charts, a beautiful trading tip, travel tip, live advice, and of course talking about the news, because again this morning I read an amazing article about something I need to talk about. So watch the video till the end and start with giving the video this beautiful early morning a thumbs up. And yes, I said beautiful already now 3 times in the intro. I'm gonna stop it. Now let's quickly jump into the first chart to show you what is happening to Bitcoin as we just dropped to 41k levels. Are we gonna drop below that 40k level to the 38k level, or are we gonna find that support now around 41k? Let's see what the charts have to say. Bam. Today's first chart, guys, is going to be this day chart. This day chart is showing you that we just broke that green support line, guys. We did retest it, but we are going down again. The level that you should be eyeing now is that red line. That's a 200-day moving average. That 200-day moving average is now around 33,293 US dollar. So yes, we could even dip to that level. I've been telling you this already for weeks, but I also told you I don't believe that we will go below that 38k level, because there's a lot of support at that 38k level. But in the worst case scenario at the moment, we could dip all the way to that 33.2k level, guys. That is on the daily chart. We can see on the daily chart also that we have the RSI over here that is going down. If we go down below that level, that dotted line over there, that 25 level, that would be bottoming out for the RSI on the day chart. And from there we of course will see a reversal, guys. We know that Bitcoin always is moving up and down. We need to keep an eye on the RSI, we need to keep an eye on the MACD, we need to keep an eye on all of these charts. Of course, very important are the support and resistance levels, and there is a lot of support, guys, at 38k. So yes, put some buy orders there to create even more support. We can build this beautiful wall together that they can't pass by. They cannot go lower than 38k if we all put a shitload of buy orders there. That is how it works in Bitcoin. We as a community should buy up all those dips. Now let's quickly jump into some more amazing charts. The first chart is this one. This is a weekly chart, and the red line that you see there is a 2x100 EMA, guys. And we can see, if we look back into the past, that all the local tops did hit that red line first before going down, guys. And we can see there in 2016 we hit that red line, 17 we hit that red line, but it were the local tops. Even in 2019, the 3 to 14k run, we hit that red line. And now we didn't hit that red line yet. So this could imply to me that that local top is not in yet at 48k, that local top should be in somewhere around that 61k level. So there's a lot of upward potential possible for us to still go to that 61k level, because that is where the 2x100 EMA is. So that is where the previous local tops have always been, guys. Really interesting chart. Then we have this chart, the Bitcoin Power Law Corridor of Growth. It was published in September 2019 already. We can see now that we edited the beautiful years of 2021 bull market with it. And we can see that we are nearing the halving line, that black line, but it was still in that green area. So we are still not in the full bull mode. The full bull mode will be that pinkish area. And that will start from April 2024, probably somewhere 20 April or like 19 April, somewhere in that area. And then we will go in the full bull mode, and that could lead to a very nice high price at the top of that pinkish area. Beautiful chart. Pause the video to analyze it a little bit more. Then we have the Bitcoin realized profit chart. We can see in the top of 2017 there was 1.8 billion profit per day, realized profit per day. In 2019 top it was 565 million, that was at local top. In January 2021 all-time high, it was 4 billion per day, guys. November 2021 still 2.8 billion. At the moment, the for January peak was at 1.3 billion a day. So also here you can see there's a lot of upward potential possible, guys. It will take a lot of time for us to reach, for example, the 4 billion per day, or even maybe with this time we go to 8 billion per day. Beautiful chart. We are just at that dotted line, as you can see now, and you can see all those yellow peaks above that dotted line. That was when the bull market top was there. Then we have the Bitcoin long-term hodler NUPL. August 2012, on the left side, we can see that we hit that 0.5 line. June 2016, we can see we hit that 0.5 line. What happened after those two times? We went into a massive bull market. July 2019, we hit the line. August 2020, we hit the line. And what happened after that? We went into the massive bull market. Now again, we are hitting that long-term hodler NUPL 55 line, guys, 0.55 line. The average is now 55% unrealized profit. So this line in history has been a very important line. Every time when we hit that line, that massive second part of the bull market started. So this time will be the same. This is a very important moment. We are hitting the line. Second part of the bull market is soon starting. So you should be in Bitcoin at the moment or buying every and each dip. That was the last chart. Let's jump into the trading tip. Amazing charts again. Yes, of course, at the short term, we could drop indeed to those levels of 40K, even 38K, guys. But that would be a wick in my honest opinion. It would not mean if we go below 40K and stay there for a very long time. I just really don't believe that. I think the support around 40K is very high. And I think it doesn't really matter. Because if we zoom out, we know that around the halving, we will be around that 50K level again. And we know around the end of this year, we will break that previous all-time high of 70K. So why would I even be worrying about the short-term volatility? The only people that need to worry about the short-term volatility, about the move to 38K, are the people that are not all in Bitcoin yet. You know, most of the people that are watching this channel, I hope that most of the people that are watching this channel, I kind of know that most of the people that are watching this channel did believe me when I told them to buy Bitcoin between 16K and 20K, and all of those people are in a shitload of profit. If you are now in that shitload of profit, don't doubt, zoom out. Don't think that a drop now to 40K, who is going to destroy Bitcoin and Bitcoin is going to go to zero and that your profits will be gone. Zoom out, chill out, and look at that bigger picture. We will be at 70K at the end of this year. So don't sell and panic now. If you want to do one thing at this moment is then buy that dip. Even if you already bought between 16 and 20K or 25K, if you see this dip to 38K, you should buy it. Because also, yes, that part of your investment will be in a shitload of profit in a couple of months or year, guys. That's how simple it is. We are at the beginning of the bull market. You should be buying each and every dip. Now, let's jump into the trading tip. The trading tip for today, guys, is for those people that always ask me, what should I do when my position is in profit on Bybit? And by the way, yes, I also trade on Bybit. If you want to trade on Bybit, there's a beautiful trading competition at the moment. You can win up to 2.2 million US dollar tether. There is a deposit bonus up to 30,000 US dollar. There is a shitload of positive stuff that I can tell you about Bybit, but you just need to find out yourself. Use the link down below to sign up to get an extra bonus and to be able to join all the contests that we as the Bitcoin family in combination with Bybit are giving away as well. So like last time, we did a contest where people could win an iPhone, t-shirts, a VIP membership. We are going to soon do the draw who won all of those prizes, guys. So always use my links down below. But if you are in profit on Bybit, let's say you are in profit, at that moment you can take profit and close your complete trade. That's option one. Option two, what you could do is at that moment set a trailing stop loss. So if the price goes up, your stop loss goes up, so you're taking profit while you're sleeping, for example. And option three is at the moment you are in profit, you can set the stop loss above your entry level so that you can never have loss again. And then from that moment, increase your leverage. So the whole position has more leverage. So small movements up will increase more profit. And if you get stopped out, you will still not have loss because you put your stop loss above your entry level. And then you have option four. If you have a lot of profit, you can close, of course, a part of your position so that you always break even. And the rest of the position you can leave open or even increase the leverage of the rest of the position to make some more profits over there, guys. There's many options what you can do to be in profit. I mostly put the stop loss above my entry level so I can never be in loss again, and then I increase the leverage because, you know, then it's a free bet. I call it a free bet. It's not like real betting, but it's a free bet because if Bitcoin then continues its bullish move, the profit will be insane higher than if you don't increase the leverage. So that's what I do most of the time, guys. And sometimes when I feel like, okay, this is a nice level to take just profit and I just want to be happy with that profit, I will just take the profit. I will exit the position. Okay, that was the trading tip for the day. Let's quickly jump into the travel tip. Turning around for the travel tip, guys. The travel tip, I'm running out of travel tips. Is there any of you out there that can give me some travel tips? But if you go to Thailand, I have a nice travel tip for Thailand to eat. Most restaurants, not all of them, they have this dish that's called pomelo salad. And the pomelo salad is my favorite salad of all Thailand. It's better than the mango salad, it's better than any other salad that is made in Thailand. In my honest opinion, the pomelo salad is one salad you cannot skip when you visit Thailand. So, my travel tip for today is a very simple one. If you go to Thailand, please taste all the local food because they have like amazing food. And the pomelo salad is my favorite dish when it comes to Thai dishes. If it comes to hot dishes, I probably need to choose between pad Thai and the massaman curry because I really like those two. There are so many dishes here. It's like they can eat a different kind of food every day. And not only food, also fruit. Yeah, that was R. The fruit. The fruit is also amazing. There's a shitload of fruit that you can't get all over the world, only here in Thailand. So yeah, a lot of good dishes here. Pomelo salad, massaman curry, pad Thai. If it comes to fruit, of course they have here the most delicious grapefruits, but they also have that nice smelly fruit that you all know that you cannot take all over the world in an airplane, but the fruit tastes amazing, guys. So my travel tip today is go to Thailand just for the food. By the way, guys, do you like my t-shirt? Born to be free. You can buy all of these shirts in our web shop on thebitcoinfamily.com. You will find products, shop, and there you can find a link to all the t-shirts that we are selling. They will be drop shipped, of course, to your house, so it's not that difficult, guys. A lot of cool t-shirts there. Also some beanies and winter stuff. So yeah, the collection is nice. Now, for today, guys, I'm gonna answer the question of one of the followers. The question was, Didi, I am selling my house. Now I have a shitload of money. Where or which platform do I use to deposit the money to buy Bitcoin? I assume you mean which crypto platform that you should be depositing a few $100K to buy Bitcoin. There is two options that you can do. I don't know which country you live, but let's assume you're from the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, you can buy from your bank, for example, with Ideal or met een overschrijving directly from some crypto brokers. So for example, BTC Direct or Bitonic are two brokers I have been using in the past to buy Bitcoins. So what happens then is you connect with Bitonic or BTC Direct, you send your euros over there to them and they will directly buy Bitcoins and send you the Bitcoins to a wallet that you choose, guys. So not to a custodial platform, but to a own wallet. I would prefer, of course, a hardware wallet. So for me, it's always important to be in control of my own money. And the only way to do this in Bitcoin is if you have them on a self-custodial hardware wallet. So the best thing you can do is buy the Bitcoins on a platform that directly sends the Bitcoins to your self-custodial hardware wallet. If you want to keep your euros or dollars on a platform to be able to buy Bitcoin during a dip, then I would always choose Bybit at the moment. Bybit by far the safest exchange out there for me that is always searching for solutions whatever might happen in the world. Like for example in the Netherlands, they want to stop Bybit, but they found a solution. They found a custodial partner from the Netherlands that is taking care of the custody of the people from the Netherlands and that hold their Bitcoins there or their euros or dollars. So for me, Bybit is by far the best platform. If you want to do one of the oldest robust platforms, then you should choose for Kraken. But Kraken is a United States platform. And I just don't trust the United States when it comes to privacy and all, you know, the KYC and all those regulations that they have there. So for me, Kraken, Coinbase, all those US companies, I just don't trust them. I just don't trust them for not sending all my data all over the world to whoever that wants my data. I do trust Bybit in this. But again, The safest way is using your funds to buy Bitcoin at a broker that directly sends your Bitcoins into your self-custody hardware wallet. That is by far the safest way to treat Bitcoin. So that's my answer to your question. The news for today, guys, is really cool news because Donald Trump just voted that he will never have a central bank's digital currency if he will be voted to president. So he is saying that if he will become president, there won't be a central bank's digital currency in the United States. That's the first time in the last 5 years I heard something positive when it comes to economical development in the United States. So I would really vote for Donald Trump. I'm not living there, but only for that reason already, I would vote for Donald Trump, because there won't be a central bank's digital currency, which they will use to create a social credit system tied to a digital currency that is completely in full control of whatever you do, say, or want to say, guys. So that's the first time in 5 years, guys, when it comes to the United States of having positive economical news. So if Donald Trump becomes president, there won't be a central bank's digital currency. I think that is very positive news, guys. I wish that all the presidents all over the world would think the same. Like El Salvador is already thinking, I think, the same. I think even Argentina now, Javier Milei also thinking the same. I do believe that when they are in control, there won't be a central bank's digital currency. And of course, that is very positive news, because those central bank's digital currencies, they are not Bitcoin. They are centralized digital currencies that's going to be part of a social credit system that wants to really control you. So I don't want to be part of such a system, guys. I want to be part of a freedom system. And that's why I choose Bitcoin. But for those people in the United States, maybe you should vote for Donald Trump, because he did pretty well financially. He did pretty well in not having wars, and he is now also going to do pretty well in not having to have a central bank's digital currency. But that's just my opinion, guys, and I'm not like a guy from the United States, so I don't know all the ins and outs of all the presidents. But yeah, if I need to choose between all those 80 plus people, then I think Trump would probably be my choice. I would prefer to choose a young guy, a young president that is innovative, that has a vision for the future, that understands blockchain, that understands Bitcoin, the goal of the 21st century, that understands all of that stuff, that understands that the people want freedom, not enslavement, no digital. I would choose a young president. But apparently there are no young presidents in the United States. A country with billions of people, but there are no young presidents. I don't know, something probably is wrong with your educational system. Maybe the kids shouldn't go to school anymore and do it the same way I do it. Prepare them for the future instead of the past by living life, guys. Now, that was the news for today. Let's quickly jump into the next part. Oh, and by the way, hey Donald, if you're watching this video, Mr. Trump, so should I say Donald or Mr. Trump? Mr. Trump, if you're watching this video, could you please also make Bitcoin a legal tender in the United States? Just abandon the whole central bank digital currency story, but yes, make Bitcoin a legal tender. That is the right step to take for the United States citizens. And then we come to the last part of the video, guys, the quote for today. The quote for today is that we cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone. And it is as simple as that. We don't need to help everyone around us. We don't need to support all of those people. But if all of us just support one person, then everything will be all right. It's very important that we all collectively as human beings understand that we need to change the world one by one. And it is not about changing everyone at the same time. That's too difficult, guys. But we are all able to help one person in our lives. If it's your friend or family, or if it is anything else, or it is those two that are working over there, if you want to help them, help them. Don't always focus on helping the whole world at the same time. We cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone, guys. I think it's a very important quote, and I think a lot of people should start with helping that one person in their life that needs help. You know what will happen because of that? Because if you help that one person that really needs help, they will change. They will feel more positive. They will feel appreciated. And you know what will happen next? You will change. You will also feel appreciated because you're helping people. You're not self-focused just on yourself. It's not all about you. it's also about other people around you. So if you start to help other people, they will become positive, and that then again will make you very positive as well. People keep appearing from all the sides now in my videos nowadays. They just want to hear in real life what I have to say. That is how interesting my videos are. They pass me by there, they pass me by there, booties everywhere. I should make a rap song about that. So that is the inspirational part for today, guys. We cannot help everyone, but everyone is able to help someone. I think that's a very important quote, guys. Now that was everything for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, again, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, let me know down below what you think about all the subjects I talk about, and please share the video with all your friends and family, as I want to reach 75k subscribers this year, because we're stuck at 67k subscribers, guys, and we want to have more than 67k subscribers. I want to reach 75k this year, maybe even 100k. Maybe I should take my targets way higher to 500k subscribers, because I see some YouTube channels out there that have 200k, 100k, 500k subscribers, and I really believe that my content is much better than all of those YouTube channels with that 500k subscribers. So start to support us a little bit more, share these videos with all your friends and family, so we can reach 75k, 100k, 125, 150k, maybe even 500k in the far future. That would be an amazing goal for us to reach as the Bitcoin family. Because always remember, the Bitcoin family is not just me, my wife and my 3 kids and our dog, but also all of you out there, because we are one big Bitcoin family. Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing Friday, a very beautiful weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna do a live this weekend, probably only one on Sunday, because I was busy as hell this week and I also need to do some focus on family. So yes, always enjoy the weekend to the fullest. If I will do a live, I will notify you guys, of course. Thank you for watching today. Again, I wish you an amazing weekend. Enjoy it to the fullest, and see you then next week again on Monday. Bam.